Okay, so from our previous videos, we've already learned from B in the middle of the staff all the way down to low C, the lowest note of the recorder. So today we're going to go up because we don't have anywhere else to go. So we're going to be going up one note from B. We're going to be going up to a high C. This is an octave or 8 notes above this. So this C is in a space. Typically you will see it with stem down. So an octave means 8 notes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every time you go up 8, you're going to end up with the same letter. So this is a high C. And so let me just get down to business and let's figure out how to play this thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our fingers in the position that we had for an A. The second note that we learned here. So we got thumb, pointer, middle finger. And what we're going to do is we're going to take off the pointer finger. So it's just thumb and middle finger. This is going to give us this high C. And this one, you don't normally have a whole lot of issues with squeaks or blowing too hard because it's a high note. So I want you to echo me. 2, here I go. Good. And remember, as always, we keep our left hand on top. Let's go through a couple more. 2, here I go. Okay, and we'll do one more. 2, here I go. Now I say that blowing, like fast, cool air is not so much of an issue on this. It'll still make it play out of tune. I mean, if you're blowing it really hard, it's not going to sound pretty. It's not going to give you the full note that you're wanting. Okay, so there's high C. We're going to go up to, one note from that, and as we've learned, as you go up the staff, it just follows the alphabet A, B, C. So our next note up would be a D. And it's typically stem down. The rule there is everything from the middle line down is stem up, and everything from the middle line up is stem down. Middle line can be stem up or stem down. That's typically the rule. Okay, so we got high D, an octave up from low D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octave 8. And so this one is very similar to the high C that we just played. High C was thumb and middle finger. For high D, now this one can be a little tricky because of keeping the instrument stable because you don't hardly have anything on it. It's only the middle finger. This is the first note that we've ever played that does not use the thumb. So it's just middle finger. So with your right hand, you may need to stabilize the instrument by holding it all the way here at the bottom to get that high D. So it's middle finger on the second hole. So the first hole is uncovered like it was with a high C. And it's just that second finger or middle finger on the second hole. So here we go on high D. 2, here I go. Okay, so now we've got a huge range from high D all the way down to low C. So we got over an octave here. We got so a big range there. 9 notes to play with. So that gives us a lot of notes there for our tone palette. Excellent. You work on those and I'll be back.